Hello folks, welcome to MRReddy Automation. In today's video, I am going to show you how to interact with frames in Selenium WebDriver. First, let us try to understand what is frame. Frame is a HTML element and we can use frame to divide the web page into different sections. Each section can contain separate web page. As you can see here, frame looks like this. It is main page and having a set of elements. This main page is having another section. Okay, this is the section. It is also a web page. Okay, having a set of elements. Now we are going to see how Selenium will be interacting with elements of main page and elements of frame as well. To simplify this, we can divide into two cases, case 1 and case 2. Okay, first let's talk about case 1. In case 1, elements are presented inside a main page, right? Selenium will interact with these elements directly. Okay, there is no issue. We have seen different examples in previous sessions for text box, buttons, check boxes, radio buttons, etc. Directly we can use this statement driver dot find element by id dot action based on our requirement. Okay. Next, let us see case 2. Here, elements are presented inside a frame. In this case, Selenium cannot interact with frame elements directly because these are two different pages. This is main page and this is page inside a frame. WebDriver current focus is on main page. In order to interact with these elements, we have to set WebDriver focus to frame from main page. Okay. Once all actions are done inside frame, again we have to set WebDriver focus to main page from frame. Let us explore frame in our website. It is a main page and it is having three checkboxes. Okay. Playwright, Selenium, and Cypress. This main page is having a frame. Inside frame, there are different elements. Okay, on this web page, I want to perform different actions. First, I want to select Selenium checkbox from main page. After selection, I want to enter values inside frame. Then again, I want to deselect Selenium checkbox from main page. Let me write steps here. First, main page, select Selenium checkbox. Once it is done, in frame, I want to enter value in username field. Okay. Next, again in main page, I want to deselect Selenium checkbox. Now, let us take a look at HTML code of these elements. First one is checkbox. Its name is Selenium. You can see here. Name equal to Selenium. Next, username field. Name equal to text-1. Okay. Name equal to text-1. After that, again, I want to deselect Selenium checkbox. name equal to Selenium. Okay. Now let me take frame ID as well. It will be useful after a while. You can see here frame ID is user form. Okay. Let me copy. Based on this ID, we can identify frame. First, we have to select Selenium checkbox from main page. Driver dot find element by dot name is Selenium dot click. Okay. Next, once it is done, we have to enter value in username field. It is available inside frame. Okay. What is the name? Text-1. Text-1. What is the method to enter value in text field? It is send keys. Test user. Next, once it is done, we have to again deselect checkbox in main page. It is main page select checkbox. It is frame enter value in username field. Main page. Again select checkbox. Let us try to execute. Yeah, you can see here Selenium checkbox has been selected. Let's see the results. It got failed. No such element exception. Okay, what is that element? Name equal to text1. Unable to find element. What is the reason? We discussed, right? This is Selenium checkbox and it is available in main page. Selenium can communicate with this checkbox without any issue. But coming to this text field, it is available inside frame. If element is available inside frame, Selenium cannot communicate. For this, we have to set WebDriver focus to frame. How can we set driver dot switch to frame? Okay. What is the frame ID? User form, right? Driver dot find element by dot ID user form. Instead of this statement, directly we can provide user form. Okay. Anything is fine, but it is more readable. Let us re-execute and see the results. Yeah, now you can see the value has been entered in username field. It is available inside frame. WebDriver is able to enter value inside frame. Okay, but it is unable to deselect this Selenium checkbox. You can see here again it got failed. No such element exception. But this time it got failed to identify name equal to Selenium. But previously it failed to identify username. Okay. What could be the reason for current execution failure? That is, while selecting checkbox, script got failed. The reason is once the action is done inside frame, again we have to set WebDriver focus to main page, right? How can we set driver dot switch to default content? Okay. Now let me re-execute. Yeah, you can see here. First, it has been selected. After that, it enters value into username. Again, it performs click action on Selenium. That's why it's been deselected. Okay. Now it is working fine. Here we have added extra two steps to handle frames. What are those? Switch to frame and switch to default content. This is how we can handle frames in Selenium WebDrive. That's all about this video, guys. In next video, we will discuss another concept. Thanks for watching.